These 7 verses, the Saptashloki Devi, are said to hold the essence of all 700 of the Durga Saptashati. They are not merely prayers, they are living keys, unlocking the many faces of the goddess within and beyond. Om Jnaninaamapi Chetansi Devi Bhagavati Hisa Balada Krishya Mohaya Mahamaya Prayaschati Durge Smrta Harasi Bhiti Mashesha Janto Swastai Smrta Mati Mati Vashubandadasi Daridra Dukha Bhayaharini Katvadanya Sarvopakara Karanaya Sadharda Chitta Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namostute Sharanagata Dinartha Paritrana Parayane Sarvasyarti Hare Devi Narayani Namostute Sarvasvarupe Sarveshe Sarvashakti Samanvite Bhayebhyastrahino Devi Durge Devi Namostute Roganaseshanaphansi Tushta Rushta tu Kaman Sagalanabhishtan Tvamashritanam na Vipannaranam Tvamashritah Priyashrayatam Prayanti Sarva Badha Prashamanam Trailokyasya Kileshwari Evameva Tvaya Karyam Asmadvairi Vinashanam. To chant these 7 is to awaken the strength of 700, a remembrance of the Devi, whole and radiant. Namaskar.